Hello, this is Howard of DSPIRA. I'm going to show you how to solder on a different type of transistor. This one is very different from the four-footed type. This one is actually looks kind of like a giant capacitor, but it is a transistor. And the key, of course, to this is to solder on the big pad first, because those two little ones are actually fairly small, require some, a nice solid transistor being on there already. So I'm going to remove the transistor. I'm going to put on a spot of solder. I'll put it on this one because this one is up against another resistor, and this will be the harder of the two to try to put on later. So you can see this is a nice dab of solder. I will put on the transistor. I will now take the soldering iron and heat up. And that looks good because now the other two smaller sides have a good amount of pad to connect to. Alright, so try to demonstrate that for you. Oops. Again, make sure you heat the pad and the tab. And that should make a good connection. Finally, I'll put it on the last side. And touch both the pad and the metal on the transistor. And it should be nice and clean. There you go. And that's that.